Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to setting up VPC security groups and network access list step by step guide. In this lab you will learn how to set up security groups and network access lists in AWS to control inbound and outbound traffic at both the instance and subnet levels. The setup enhances security by providing multiple layers of traffic control for your Amazon VPC. First step, log into AWS Management Console with your credentials. Second step, create a VPC. Type here in search bar VPC. Create VPC. Name tag, write VPC security group and NACL, VPC only, like this. IPv4 CIDR block 10.0.0.0/16. Left another by default and create VPC. Now we should create a subnet. Navigate to subnets and click create subnet. Create subnet. Select VPC. New created VPC. Subnet name is public subnet. Availability zone US East 1A. CIDR block 10.0.0.1.0/24 and create subnet. Repeat the step to create a second subnet. Select my security group NACL. Subnet name private subnet. Available zone same, and CIDR block 10.0.2.0/24 and create subnet. Next step, set up an internet gateway. In the VPC dashboard, go to internet gateways, create internet gateway. Name tag internet gateway lab, for example, and create. Once created, select the internet gateway and create. Attach to VPC. VPC selects the new created VPC and attach internet gateway. Now we should configure root table. Go to root tables. Here's the new root tables. Updated. Now table. Edit roots. No, this is not. Roots. Edit table. Add role. Destination default. Internet gateway, select here and select Internet gateway lab, save change, go to subnet associations, edit subnet associations, and select public subnet to associate it with the root table. Public subnet, save associations. Now we should create security groups. Security groups control the traffic to individual instance. Follow the steps to create and configure security groups. Create a security group for the public subnet. Navigate to security group. Security groups. Create security group. Name is name tag. Type public security group. Description type, for example, security group for public facing instances. Select VPC, new created. On the inbound rule, add rule. Type SSH. Source is anywhere. Add an HTTP rule to allow web traffic if you are running a web server. HTTP. Also anywhere. Source. Leave outbound rules as default. Allow all traffic. Create security group. Now we should create a security group for the private subnet. Click. Go to security groups. Create security group. Name, private security group, for example. Description, security group for private instance. VPC, select new created VPC. Inbound rule, add the following rule. Add rule. Custom TCP, port 8080. Source, choose public security. Source 8080 from my public subnet, and leave outbound rules as a default and click create security group. Next step, launch EC2 instance in subnets. Navigate to EC2 dashboard. launch instance. Name EC2 1 EC2 1. Select Amazon Linux, Tier 2 Micro. Proceed without key pair. Not recommended, but just for lab. Edit network. Select new created VPC. Subnet. Select public subnet. Auto assign enable for public subnet. Proceed with the rest of the instance configuration and launch. No. Launch. Eval instance. Launch second instance. EC2 2. Same Amazon Linux, Tier 2 Micro, without key, edit, choose new created, choose private subnet, but select private subnet as a security group. Launch instance. We should wait now for running stage. Now we will configure network access lists. Network access lists provide an extra layer of security by controlling traffic and at the subnet level. Create an ACL for the public subnet. Go to network ACLs. Network ACLs. Go to VPC. ACLs. Click create network ACL. Name public ACL. Select VPC. What we created. After creating the ACL, create network ACL. After creating the ACL, select it, go to the Inbound Rules tab and click Edit Inbound Rules. Edit Inbound Rules. Add new rule. Rule number is 100. Allow all inbound traffic. All traffic. Add one more. Rule number 110. Allow specific traffic such as SSH. And one more. 120 and HTTP. port 80. Save change. Go to outbound rules. Allow all outbound traffic to simulate the default behavior. Traffic save change. Go to subnet associations. Edit subnet associations and associate it with public subnet. Save change. Okay. Create an ACL for the private subnet. Create another network ACL called private ACL. Names private network ACLs. Select VPC, new created. Added the inbound rule to allow traffic only from the public subnet using its CIDR range. Rule. 100 custom source. I should choose check instance running. Second instance is in private subnet. I should now first 24. Save change. Okay. Subnet association, edit subnet association, associate with private subnet, save change. Now we should test connectivity SSH into the instance in the public subnet using its public IP address to verify that you can connect. We should go to our EC2 instances, running instance. This is first instance have, as you see here, a public IP address. This is in our public subnet. Click to connect. SSH is open. Yes, we now connect. On the public instance, try to communicate with the instance in the private subnet via private IP address. We should take from here private IP address, ping to this instance, and check. Okay, we should change add inbound rules. Security. Here's a TCP also only. Edit inbound add rule SSH and save change and outbound rules edit, add rule, SSH, and save rules. Now they should try again. No. Now we should check here security groups, add some rules. Edit inbound, add rule, SSH. Yes, SSH is outbound rules. Edit, add rules, SSH, save. Okay. Now should go. Final step is test connector. SSH into the instance is a public subnet using its public IP address and verifies that you can connect. This is our, as you see here, public instance has a public IP address. Click connect, connect with SSH, and from the public instance try to communicate with the instance in the private subnet via private IP address. We should take from here private IP address, second C2 instance, ping, and paste. All is done. Now, final step, you should clean up resource, terminate the EC2 instance if no longer needed, delete the network interfaces, subnets, and VPC to avoid additional charges. In this lab, you have successfully set up security groups and the network ACLs in AWS to control traffic at both the instance and subnet levels. You now have better understanding of the difference between security groups and network access lists and how they work together to secure your VPC. This step-by-step guide allows you to enhance your networking and security knowledge in AWS.